What is going on, guys? Welcome to Operation 6 Earth. Operation 6 Earth. This is funds for Operation 6 Earth. The funds of the monetization of this video go towards Operation 6 Earth, which I'll explain right away. So basically you need to have watched my other space videos to be caught up in this video. Only people that watched my other how to move planets, or my moving planets, and my owning planets video, and my intergalactic alliance video, intergalactic space alliance video, only for people that have watched those. Another added bonus is the Space Jam Moron Mountain video. Get a beginner course, because we don't yet leave Earth, and we don't yet leave Earth. We leave Earth, actually. We leave Earth, actually, but it's nothing extravagant, I should say. Anyway, things get more complex. You should watch those videos. This is Future Earth video. Future Earth. Access to Future Earth. Days of Future and Past. Days of Future and Past. A look into tomorrow's technology. Just going to start right off the bat. We could make copies of ourselves. Just to get you just to introduce it, we can make copies of ourselves. Make an Earth, a copy of Earth. Or an Earth-like planet. Put the copies of ourselves on that planet. A copy of whole Earth. All the people on Earth. Put them on that planet. I heard there's a way to forward the time for that planet. Put that planet in a secret and safe location in space that we could safely travel to in case of an emergency. Then we could forward that planet's time. There's a way there's a way to make the time pass by a lot. To them, it's just the normal time going by. They walk around normally, normal speed to them, but thousands of years would pass, though, maybe millions, and they would become advanced, and for us it would be like a week or a day even. I heard it's possible to do that scientifically. I heard it's proven. It's, to me, I'm not going to mention this anymore, but to me it seems I'm just going to mention it. I'm just going to explain it to you, and you should already know that it's, to me, it sounds very easy. But to you it might start sounding easy too, or it might already sound easy. Maybe you're more experienced than I am, and you already know how easy it is more than I do. And then we would sync up with each other's time dilation, sync up with each other's time after 1,000,000 years pass for that Earth and 1 day pass for our Earth. We would sync up and we would now be in real time with each other. And that would be called future Earth. This is very advanced stuff. You need to have watched my other space videos and be very experienced in this matter to know that this is possible. Very easily possible. Almost too easy. We would be in sync with each other again. They won't be traveling forward in time fast anymore. You could then travel. You could then keep that plan for an emergency. A more advanced Earth. You could travel there in case of an emergency. Advanced Earth. That's an introduction. Could make as many as you want. As many as you can afford. Anyway, for this specific Operation 6 Earth, I heard we're going to be doing a different version. That's to get you introduced to it. We're going to be doing a different version. I heard there's a way to actually have future Earth located somewhere else in space where we could travel to actual future Earth. Located in space, somewhere where we could travel to, a secret location, a safe location in space, safe and secret, that we could travel to in case of an emergency. Think different dimensions and stuff. Think Big with Aaron Murdoch. The next episode. Funds are almost unlimited right now. I'm not even sure if the views are finite on my videos, but the funds are near unlimited. And these are our idea operations, our operations that we run, that we're going to run whenever I monetize my YouTube channel. Or if you could get it done before that, obviously it's good. Anyway, for this operation, we're going to have 6 separate Earths, 6 separate actual future Earths, 6 separate timelines, 6 separate time points, 6 separate future Earths. I'm not sure if I'm not, as for traveling to the past, I'm not experienced in that matter, but we want 6 future Earths. If you want to throw some past Earths in there too, you can. But we want 6 future Earths. 6 time points. Different time points in the future. To be located in various locations around space that we could travel to in case of an emergency. varying in advancedness and age. Safe and secret locations around space that we could travel to in case of an emergency. That's this Operation 6 Earth. The funds of the monetization of this video go towards that. That is all for today, guys. Actual Earth, actual future Earths, not copies, not made, actual future Earths, using dimensions and stuff, dimension manipulation and stuff, time manipulation, space manipulation. Well, I heard it's easily possible. And yeah, guys, that's our plan. It seems really easily possible to me. That's our plan. This obviously has to be greenlit by the people of Earth right now. 6 different time points. 6 different Earths. 6 different locations. Emergency. Travel there. Travel to one of them in case of an emergency. They also have their other various uses. We can make it so you could be there's other various versions of it too. You can make it so you could be alive the whole time on one of the Earths, or on more than one of the Earths. You're alive the whole time. Easily. That's even easier. Easier. You'll see an advanced version of yourself. Far in the future. This is days of future and past. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. 6 Earths. 6 future Earths. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.